Hello dear students, in this video I am going to introduce you some of the free study support resources available in our ACCA website. Okay, many students are actually not using this free resources effectively. There are a lot of study resources which are freely available, which is open to every student. So first of all, to access this, you need to reach at the ACCA Global website. The web address for the ACCA website is accaglobal.com, and in our video description we given the link to directly reach in this ACCA website. There are different tabs which is available for different category or different stakeholders of ACCA. This is actually tab for the approved employers, learning providers, ACCA members. Here you can see the tab for students. So in that student tab, search for study support resources. Study support resources. Click on that. You will be redirected to a page. After clicking that, you will be redirected to a page where you need to select a relevant qualification. There are mainly three qualification provided by ACCA. Number one, the ACCA qualification itself. Second one is for the, if at all a student doesn't have any university level entry certification, and that student is wishing to start with ACCA, so he or she can start with the foundation course, which is said to be FIA, Foundation in Accountancy. This is the second course, and third course is Diploma in our International Financial Reporting Standard. So you need to select your relevant qualification on which you are searching for the study resources. Now as a step one, I am selecting the ACCA qualification. So click on that ACCA qualification. Now in step two, we need to select which exam. These are the exams provided by the ACCA qualification, or we need to attend in the ACCA qualification. So I'm assuming, I'm just as a random or as a just for an example, I am selecting this financial management paper. Now we'll be redirected to a page where the free exam resources available for financial management. A lot of free resources available in this website. Remember, similarly for each paper we will be getting exam resources for each paper, like financial management, advanced papers. Every paper will be getting exam resources. And here this exam resources actually divided into two. Number one is getting started resources, and second one is resources that can be used in the learning and revision phase. Okay, so let us quickly go through the getting started resources for financial management paper. The very first one is an introduction to financial management. Here in this area, this explain help us to learn more about the exam, which includes the technical and professional areas that is going to be assessed in our paper. And second area which is going to help us to how to plan our studies in the very initial stage of selecting a paper. And the third one is really important, which is actually given by the guidance given by the examining team itself, which explains to the approach to the exam, and which also includes the feedback for for some of the past exam papers for each exams. And the really important or really interesting thing here in this area is actually Mathematic module and this English language support. Many students are not much confident in writing ACCA exam due to lack in two areas. Number one is many students are say my knowledge in mathematics is very low. In our ACCA exams, in many of our financial modules, we need some basic knowledge from mathematics. So if at all you are not confident in your basic mathematics, you can attend this free maths module. This is a free module to help you assess your proficiency and improve the mathematical skills, which is required for our exam. In this financial management, specifically for our financial management exam. And another free module is for English language support, which help to improve the English language skills required in the exam. So these are the exam resources available for a student who is going to just start the paper. Once you started studying in your learning and revision phase, you can use these study resources. The key resources here are: number one, question practice in the exam practice platform. The exam practice platform is available for every ACCA student, a registered student, using their ACCA ID and their password. They can log into this practice platform. Here you can familiarize with the exam format, and you can view the exam style, and you can sit some mock exam. Once you done with your study learning phase, at the revision phase for to write a mock exam, you can use this study resource. And another one is a technical article which explains the key syllabus areas in a simple format by the examining team or some of the key personnels in this industry. So this actually technical article is includes plenty of, it's a library of articles, videos and podcasts to help the students to develop broader insight to specific topics in our subject. And here now you can see a lot of specimen papers. You can practice some past exam paper. This is for CBE past exam, and this is for paper based exams. And if at all you have any quick questions, you can search here some of the frequently asked questions. If at all your question match with the FAQs, you can easily identify the main brainstormed questions from the previous students who attended this same paper. And finally, you can get the formulas and mathematic table, which will be provided in the exams. In our exam question itself, you can familiarize with the exam formula. So remember, these are the study support resources available in our ACCA website, and remember, this is free of cost. Please utilize this, not only for the financial management paper, for any paper you are writing. Look at here, any paper. If at all you selected financial reporting paper, you will be redirected to the exam resources for that paper. So similarly, everything what you required to prepare in an effective manner is given by the ACCA team itself. So please utilize this. I'm wishing you a good exam success, and I'm wishing you will be in a very good finance. I'm wishing you a very good career in a finance field. Good luck.